Hey, everybody, and welcome to the very first episode in the members area. And as mentioned in that free video that I posted, we are going to do a start to finish completely from ground zero all the way to completed queue. And today's episode is the very first step involved in queue making, which is your shop, the environment in which you're going to be producing your queues. Now, everybody's shop is going to be a little bit different. What you need in a shop, as far as size, may differ for many reasons, whether it be budget or simple size restrictions and many other things. And today, I'd like to talk about what you would need as far as, in my opinion, minimum requirements to succeed in key making. Now, when I first began, then this is just personal. When I first began back in 1995, I began in a little, I think it was a 10 by 14 or 10 by 16 unit, a little shed that you purchase. And in that shed, I had simple machines. I had my lathe, I had my chop saw or miter saw, and then I had, of course, my computers and my section for materials and things like that. But it was a very confined space, tiny, and it was a little congested, but it worked. And I mentioned this because you don't have to have something the size of Walmart to enjoy a career in queue making. Now, again, like I mentioned earlier, a lot of it comes down to simple preference, budget, and restrictions. I deal with people all the time, every day, that have their shop either in their carport, their garage, or in one of their spare rooms in their home, even upstairs on a second level. Then I also have the handful of people that have a dedicated unit, whether they built it themselves or they're renting it, or it's a prefabricated unit. And in my opinion, it's very variable as far as the space you need. One, you don't want to, if you can help it, you don't want to get something that you can't grow into. In other words, you don't want something the size of a shoebox that you're going to outgrow really quickly because of accumulation of machines and materials and supplies and things of that nature. If at all possible, you want to have a spot or a space available. And again, this is my opinion. You want to have a space available that you can contain a small office where you is separate from the work area. That is kind of your personal space where you can sit back, relax. It houses your computer where you do your design work, a place where you can kick your feet up and relax at the end of the day or during the day while other machines are running. And it kind of separates you from the work environment. In other words, you want to ideally have a space available where you can escape from the madness, from the everyday work area. Come into the office, sit down, close a door, or pull a curtain, or whatever your situation might be, to simply separate yourself from the work for a little while you're taking a break. Because sometimes you're going to be in that shop and it's going to be very hectic. You're going to be racking your brain trying to figure out where you made said mistake. And the longer you stay in there thinking about it, the worse it's going to get for you. And having the ability to come into a separate little portal, a room that you'd call an office, helps a lot because it takes you away from the problem. It gives you a space to sit down, relax, think about it, kick your feet up, take a break, and then go back into the work area and revisit. Hey guys, sorry about butting in, but I had to let you know that this is just a teaser video. It's not the entire video. If you'd like to see the entire video and many more like it throughout this series, then please join and become a member today. You can do so by clicking the link that I'm going to attach up here, and also by looking at the homepage of the YouTube channel and clicking on join, and looking in the description and clicking on join as well. I hope to see you guys there. I will continue posting free content, but the queue making is going to be in the members area only. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate what you're doing, and keep it up. And thank you to the members that we already have. It's been great and really unexpected as far as how many members we've already gained thus far. I appreciate you guys, each and every one of you. And I look forward to the next video. And again, if you want to see the rest of this one, just become a member today. Join. It's $1.99 a month, guys. I mean, 199 pennies. I think that is very affordable for an education. So join up. Let's go. Let's check it out. Thanks a lot. I'll see you guys on the next video. Appreciate you. Thanks.